Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of incredible Blender add-ons that will take your 3D projects to the next level. So let's get started. First up, we have ModStack by Ruben. This is a super handy tool if you're working a lot with modifiers. It allows you to save your modifier setups as presets, which you can recall and apply to other objects, making repetitive tasks a breeze. There's also a fast access UI you can pull up directly in the viewport, and a few customization options that make the workflow even smoother. Definitely worth checking out if you want to simplify and speed up your modifier game. Link in the description. Up next is Gobos Master, made available by Mr. 3D. Rendering realistic shadows in large scenes can be a computational nightmare, especially when adding objects like trees and windows just for their shadows. When dealing with 500 to 1000 frames of animation, this can waste a significant amount of processing power. That's where Gobos Master comes in. By eliminating unnecessary geometry, it optimizes efficiency and dramatically reduces render times. It's a comprehensive library covering 13 categories of over 188 high-quality Gobos to create ultra-realistic shadows in your scenes. And the best part, you can easily add Gobos with the Gobos Master add-on, and all the mapping controls are in the panel for easier access. Right now, it's 48% off, so if you're looking to add realism to your work, Gobos Master is a perfect choice. Further, we have Physical Rain and Snow FX add-on by Lazy 3D. This add-on brings dynamic weather to life with Physical Rain/Snow FX add-on. This powerful tool lets you easily simulate procedural rain and snow inside Blender, giving your scenes a realistic touch with minimal setup. Fully procedural systems that work seamlessly with your scene. Instantly switch between snow or rain based on your scene's temperature. Add realistic rain splashes with 2 effect types to enhance your scene's depth. And Lazy 3D also released Bestseller Add-ons Bundle at huge discount and includes Physical Weather FX Master, Physical Water FX Deluxe, Water VFX Master, Real-Time Fluid Effects, Naturescapes Pro, Procedural Biome Generator, One-Click Physical Puddles, Time Master, One-Click Slow Motion, and Fuzzy Master, Realistic Felt Effects. This bundle will be extended with the upcoming Fauna Master Pro add-on. Up next, we have Lightning Fxs. Supercharge your Blender projects with Lightning Fx, the ultimate lightning effects generator powered by Blender's geometry nodes. Whether you need a single lightning strike, a chaotic storm, or a stylized energy burst, Lightning Fx gives you the tools to bring electrifying energy to your scenes, fast and flexibly. Whether you're after hyperrealistic bolts or stylized, artistic effects, Lightning Fxs has you covered. Use pre-built styles or easily add your own. Take full control with easy-to-use sliders and parameters. Add that final cinematic touch with built-in spark and smoke simulations, fully procedural and physically dynamic. Jump right in with dozens of customizable templates. Just drag, drop, tweak, and render, no time wasted. Next, we have Fast Render, made available by Bad Normals. With Fast Render, you can render 4x faster, because standard rendering requires rendering every single frame. With Fast Render, Blender renders every second or fourth frame, and the missing frames are generated from the existing ones in less than a second per frame, saving time massively. Basically, it's like NVIDIA's Frame Gen, but for Blender. And there is more stuff you can do with it. Like, you can also use frame generation on already existing frames to increase the frame rate. Supports GPU and CPU, but AMD GPUs are not supported. And make sure to check out his other amazing add-ons, AnyTree and Fractal Machine. Now, on to Retopoflow is currently in beta, and it's already proving to be a huge help. It's designed to make retopologizing characters, sculpts, or scans way more intuitive. Best of all, it runs right inside edit mode, meaning you stay in the familiar Blender environment. You get powerful tools like contours, polystrokes, and polystrips for building edge loops and clean mesh flow. There's also Relax and Polypen for refining surfaces. This version adds even more tools and improvements, and it's currently offered at a discount during the beta phase, so it's a great time to try it out. Next up, we have Pixel Sort. Pixel Sort brings the famous glitch art algorithm right into Blender. Sort any image or even any video. Exactly like the After Effects implementations, but with even more settings, and a substantially cheaper price. Get the look you want with procedural parameters and enhance your final render. It's built fully with Blender's geometry nodes, easy to use and no dependencies required. Up next, we have Pure Sky Pro. Pure Sky Pro was recently updated to version 7. This major update brings incredible new features and significant improvements to enhance your procedural skies in Blender. Ranging from subtle atmospheres to detailed volumetric clouds and a hyper-realistic moon. Pure Sky Pro is unique in allowing its volumetric clouds to cast shadows in Eevee Next, making it easy to generate hyper-realistic God rays within your clouds. Pure Sky Pro is fully compatible with the Eevee Next and Cycles rendering engines, guaranteeing magnificent results regardless of your workflow, and comes with a lot of sky and cloud presets to begin with. So if you want realistic and fast skies with a click and don't want to spend weeks to create from scratch, then Pure Sky Pro is for you. Next, we have Adaptive Curve, a procedural drawing tool for curve-based modeling. It allows you to sketch shapes as curves and automatically manages the resolution using an adaptive multiplier based on length and detail density. That means no more fiddling with unnecessary subdivisions. You can turn your strokes into mesh curves and tweak everything from bevel depth to curve radius right inside the modifier stack. It stays lightweight, but gives you enough power for layout and shape cleanup, without needing to go into sculpt mode. It's small in scope, but makes modeling clean, smooth curves much easier while keeping the process fully procedural. Now let's take a look at Solidify Plus, an enhanced version of Blender's classic Solidify modifier. This tool extends functionality by adding control over rim loops, edge creasing, and custom extrusion profiles. You get more nuanced thickness adjustments thanks to sliders and the ability to define the shape using a profile curve. In addition, you can control the beveling and creasing independently for inner, outer, and rim areas, making this a powerful option for hard surface modeling. The great part is that there's a free version for basic use, and a paid upgrade unlocks deeper node-based customization options. Looking to populate your scene with vegetation? Tree Designer is a powerhouse. It includes a collection of over 400 trees, from highly realistic to completely stylized, including bonsai and sci-fi options. And each tree is fully tweakable. You can adjust everything: trunk size, branch twist, leaf density, and even wind animations. The latest version also supports flowering trees, adding even more detail to your worlds. A must-have for environment artists. Next on the list is super handy utility, X-Ray Selection Pro. This one's all about visibility management when working with dense or overlapping geometry. It gives you a quick X-ray toggle with 6 presets like light, strong, and tinted versions, red, green, blue, to help organize your scene visually. You can customize the transparency and color per object, and when you disable the mode, it restores your materials automatically, no manual cleanup required. Plus, it supports back-face culling, transparency methods, and works seamlessly in both solid and material preview modes. Creating beautiful, stylized clouds in Blender often requires a combination of time and complex technical skills. But not anymore, as Rai has made Stylized Cloud Generator for all of you. Designed mainly with NPR/stylized renders in mind, this tool lets you craft stunning skies effortlessly. It simplifies the process from idea to render, allowing you to bring a variety of artistic styles, such as anime, painterly, semi-realistic, to life faster than ever. Now let's talk about Blender Kit, one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. Blender Kit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 73,000 Blender assets collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. This add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you get 10% on ProPlane. Next up, we have Mega Assets add-on by Russell Studios. Mega Assets is a feature-rich, beautifully designed Blender add-on that lets you browse, download, and apply over 5,000 plus free CC0 assets, including PBR materials and HDRIs, directly inside Blender. What truly sets Mega Assets apart is its ability to automatically build advanced, highly accurate PBR material and HDRI lighting setups. These setups are production-ready, fully customizable, and designed to elevate your scenes instantly. No technical setup required. I recommend you visit the add-on page for more information. Next up, iCity has been updated to version 1.3, and it's a complete rewrite of iCity to improve speed, efficiency, and future compatibility. Most of the assets were recreated with higher visual quality while being twice as lightweight as previous versions. Export your iCity scenes in GLTF format with full support for geometry nodes instances, perfect for use in Unreal Engine, Unity, and other external tools. All in all, a cleaner, more responsive UI, up to 1,200% speed increase, and a lot more. Next is an asset pack called Dystopian blocks, designed for building those gritty, brutalist cityscapes. If you're into sci-fi, post-apocalyptic, or industrial scenes, this one's worth checking out. It includes 145 meshes, with 45 of them being structural base pieces and the rest designed to scatter debris and detail. Everything comes UV unwrapped, with PBR textures from 1K to 4K, depending on your needs. The assets are fully scatter-ready too, thanks to pre-configured geonodes, so no need to place stuff by hand unless you want to. For animators searching for powerful tools, Not That NDA has recently released some exciting options. Animate Pro is a comprehensive tool that brings popular Maya features into Blender. Here's what you can do with it. I'll work with animation layers and a time editor, just like in Maya. Use the Anim scope to easily sculpt your animation curves in the graph editor. Take advantage of the editor stop bar and animation offset for precise animation control. Explore a wide range of graph editor tools to refine your animations. Animate Pro is currently in early access, but it's a game changer for Maya users transitioning to Blender, or for those who wanted Maya animation features right in Blender. It provides a familiar and comfortable working environment. NDA also offers the Transformator, a simple but effective tool for animators. It allows you to quickly copy and paste global and relative transforms between objects, effortlessly manage keyframes, paste transformations onto specific axes, utilize a temporary pivot for enhanced animation control. The Transformator streamlines your animation workflow in Blender. And we also have the Universal Base Model. This is a fantastic resource for character animators, offering a set of models with customizable body types: male, female, thin, muscular, all fully rigged and ready to animate. They also have a Rig UI add-on as well as an Outliner Bookmarks add-on. Next up, we have FlaxFlow. FlaxFlow introduces a brand new tracking system to Blender with optical trackers. It is significantly faster and far more stable. When using these optical trackers, nearly all of them successfully complete tracking each time. In comparison, Blender's native tracking system often fails along the way, as shown in the video. It's a toolkit which also brings many extra features to Blender's motion tracking panel, as well as the 3D viewport. The add-on includes one-click geometry tools, a filtering system, a 3D point generator, an upgraded solver, new tracking alternatives, and much more. It also simplifies scene setup by generating meshes for floors, walls, and objects based on tracking data, making it effortless to place assets in your scene. If you are like me, who have a lot of add-ons installed, then the N-Panel Manager helps organize the N-Panel, which can quickly become cluttered, especially if you've installed many add-ons. This tool lets you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. After installation, you can start creating tabs right away, naming them based on your workflow, for example, grouping modeling tools under one tab and rendering tools under another. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also exclude certain add-ons from being managed if you rarely use them but don't want to uninstall them. Additionally, the add-on includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone working on diverse projects or frequently switching between workflows, the N-Panel Manager is a great way to customize and optimize Blender's interface. That's it for now. All these tools and add-ons are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let me know what caught your eye in the comments. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it around, And if you're new here, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss an update.